So you guys just saw that we worked on Brandon's car for a little bit today. We put on those new wheels that are looking so clean, man. Those rays, first of all, extremely light. Sheesh, I could pick it in one hand like it's nothing. And they just look so good, and this just makes me want to get some myself. But my Z got other issues that I gotta fix first before I start even thinking about wheels. The main thing is both door handles are messed up. I can't open the door from the outside even if it's unlocked, so I need to get new door handles, which is not a bad fix. But now also my passenger door won't open even from the inside. So the outside door handle doesn't work, the inside door handle doesn't work. It's permanently locked pretty much, and the door is locked. So like how could I access the interior of the door to like access the lock mechanism, etc., if the door is locked? Like, how am I gonna take off the door panel like that? Locked. I'm about to unlock it. You guys hear that little buzzing? That means the lock actuator is shut. So obviously, door's unlocked. I can't open it from the outside. Can't open it from the inside. Unlocked. See how this doesn't work? I need to get a new door handle. But thankfully, it does unlock from the inside. So, like I said, now I have to access some weather stripping. Oh man, this is gonna be fun. So I do see the inside of the door, but I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to pull though. Alright boys, so I couldn't find anything, so I grabbed a clothes hanger and we're gonna stick this in there and see if it fits. Let's go! Let's go! So, what was happening is the mechanism to open the door from the outside has like a rod. So when you pull on the door handle, it pushes a rod down, and that rod pushing down opens up the lock. The rod is connected to like a blue piece, and it puts pressure down like that. So when you open the door from the outside, rod goes down, blue piece goes down, bam, door opens. That rod is not connected to the blue piece no more. That's why I can't open it from the outside. However, I'm wondering, now that I'm able to open it from the inside, I'm wondering how that affected the inside mechanism, right? Like, I think the blue thing is actually the lock, and it was just kind of stuck because the rod came out from the outside, from the door handle to open from the outside. So it was just stuck. So I just kind of poked the blue piece, and now it looks like it's unstuck. Obviously I still can't open it from the outside, but at least I could start opening it from the inside. So now, that was a horrible explanation. Locking it. Now unlocking it. And now I could open it. It's called Lil B. Man, I've been so busy with work that I was lagging this, but hey, thankfully things worked out to now I know what's wrong, and now I know what needs to be replaced, and I will be doing that. I gotta give a huge shout out to let's see, what's his name? My name Jeff. Yo.
Okay guys,
My name Jeff on YouTube. Alright boys, so today I got a day off from work on a Thursday, and guess what came in yesterday? Bam. So we got some car part. I mean, not really car parts. It's just the oil filter and then some air filters that I need to change. The air filters are going in today. I still need the oil to come in today, I believe. But I did get this. I'm excited for this. Door handles from Amazon, actually. I was gonna get OEMs, but I knew they were gonna take probably at least another week, and I just want to get this over with. So I was like, okay, Amazon Prime, get it to me in time, and yep, one day later, they came. So it should be a pretty straightforward install. Let's get to it. So first things first, this is not gonna be really like a very detailed how-to. I just more so just gonna take you through the process, maybe give some tips here and there, but don't expect a full-on tutorial on how to change your door handles. I will be as detailed as I could be though. But here's parts. We got the passenger side, right hand. Obviously we got the driver's side, and yeah, both of them went out, so I had to buy both. I have very limited tools, but I think you only need like a 10 millimeter, so hopefully I could get it done. But yeah, let's get to it. Those are my tools. I got all my YouTube tutorials ready in case I get lost, but first of all, the first step should be to just take off these plastic covers, and that's where you can access the actual, what's it called? The actual screws, I guess. The actual, you know, the screws, whatever holds it together. Don't mind my husky. He's a drama king, queen, whatever. So those screws right there is exactly where you're gonna be able to take off. The main thing that everybody says, and I'm gonna say this as well, just keep reiterating this, is do not drop them, because if you drop them, they're gonna go deep down into the door. It's gonna be a hassle to get them back, all right? So don't drop them. Right now we're gonna figure out a way to not drop them. But yeah, should be pretty straightforward after they come off. So assessing damage, this thing was completely broken. I'm over here trying to open my door, man. Like, oh, maybe it'll work sometimes. Hell no, this is never working. Look at this. So this goes here, like this. Rod attaches here, and when you pull it, when you pull the door, the rod that's attached, this goes down, and the rod that's attached gets pressed down, which goes into the actuator. And then the door opens, right? But obviously, that's not happening with this door. Another thing to note is that the lock right here, you have to unscrew that when the actual door handle comes off. So make sure to do that. Don't just pull it off. Unhook the rods. It's gonna have a rod to the lock, and it's gonna have a rod to this, which is what opens it. Unhook those, and then the entire thing should be able to come off. And now the tricky part is putting on the new one, because the new one, it's not tricky, but there's a rod in there that you have to align. So let's get to it. Before we install the second screw, let's test it first. I'm a little nervous. Locked, unlocked. Moment of truth. Yes. Finally! It was this simple, guys, and I lagged it for months. And I probably overused my window motors for not doing this, and now my window motor is broken. Fix things that are wrong with your car, man. Shake my head. Alright boys, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this install. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the passenger side since it's broken as well. But I mean, it's literally the same procedure, except there's no lock. You gotta unscrew, you know, because there's no key fob on the passenger side. So for today, that's gonna be a wrap, man. If you guys are lagging it, 350Z people, this is a common issue on 350Zs. You know, the door handle, the mechanism inside gets broken and then you can't open it. If that's happening to you guys, I recommend you guys fix it ASAP. It's super easy, man. I thought it was gonna take off door panels and stuff like that. That's why I was lagging it. But literally just unscrewing two things, popping out the door handle, popping in the new one, you know, clipping some things, and that's it, you know. And it prevents you from having to roll your windows down every time you have to get into the car. So if you're lagging it, fix it. I got my handles off of Amazon. Fitment is alright, could be better. OEM might have better fitment, but that's up to you guys. OEM, both are gonna run you like 200 as opposed to these ran me 60. So for now, I think this will do for me. If they get broken again, I'm gonna go with OEM. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this wrap up. I do have more stuff coming in for the Z. I have a bunch of stuff actually, so stay tuned for that. We got the Audi as well. Stage 3 is getting built right now, and the A86 just got new wheels, and there's some more things coming for it too. So stay tuned, guys. Momo Media, Momo Squad. See you guys later.